I know you would like to create this viral AI cat video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do so that you can start your own Faceless YouTube channel or TikTok account. The first thing to do is go to ChatGPT and get the prompt for my images. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to provide me a prompt for a cat buying carrots in the market and a cat riding a bicycle. You can just play with ideas of so many things you want the cat to be doing, any human activity you want the cat to be doing. So I'm also going to place the parameters for my cat, what I want my cat to look like before pressing the send button. Now ChatGPT will go ahead and generate my prompt for me. Yes. So when it's done generating my prompt for me, I'm going to head to an image generating tool called Lumen. This is a free text to image tool. Once you register, click on create and paste your prompt, then go ahead and choose your aspect ratio. For this one, I'm going to be choosing 19:16, which is the aspect ratio for TikTok. Then I'm going to click on create, then wait for it to generate my image. You can see it has generated this cat buying carrots in the market. I think I want to regenerate, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it again, then go ahead and click on create for it to regenerate it. So it has regenerated it, and I think I like this particular cat better. I'm going to go ahead and download it. Just click on the download button to download it. Next, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and bring in my next prompt. After downloading my images, then I'm going to go ahead and simply copy the next prompt, go back to Lumen, paste it, then click on create to create the next image for my cat video. So I'm just going to be patient. Please do not forget to subscribe. You can see it has generated a cat riding a bicycle. I think I'm going to regenerate this again. So I'm going to go ahead and regenerate it again. Yes, it's done now. I think I like the second one better. I'm going to go ahead and download the image. Then I'm going to go to ChatGPT and bring in another prompt for the next image. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the next prompt. Then I'm going to head back to Lumen, click on paste, then click on generate. You can see. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are still watching till this point. Once it has generated my image, I think I'm going to regenerate this image. I'm just going to paste the prompt again as usual and then regenerate it. Okay, my image is ready, and I think I like the first one better. Next, I'm going to head over to Pixvax, which is the image to video generating tool. I'm going to bring the images I downloaded from Lumen. I'm going to bring this first one where the cat is cooking. I think I'm going to bring this first one when the cat is cooking. Then I'm going to use the same prompt that I used in generating the image for the description of the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose the duration and then click on create. It is going to go ahead and generate the video for me. So you can see, just be patient. If you are still watching till this point, please do not forget to subscribe. You can see it is ready. You can see how beautiful this video looks, and I can just go ahead and download my video. Next, I'm going to bring in another image that I downloaded from Lumen. I'm going to bring in this cat buying carrots in the market. For the description of the video, I'm going to paste my prompt for the image. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove the ones I think are not necessary. I'm just going to remove it. Then I am left with this instruction. I'm going to go ahead and click on create to create it. Now you can see it's generating my video. My video is ready, and you can see the big fat cat is buying carrots from the market. I'm just going to click on download to download it. I'm going to bring in another image. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to be doing 3 images. I'm going to bring in this image of the cat riding a bicycle. Then I'm going to paste the prompt here again. I'll now go ahead and remove all the instructions that I think are not necessary from the description. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on create. It is creating my image now, my video, sorry. Now my video is ready. You can see my cat is riding a bicycle, and this is really cool. Click on download. Head to Google and type in sound for TikTok video. Click on the first link and now choose from different category of music. These are free, by the way. So once you choose, or once you decide the one you like, go to the right hand side and click on the download button to download it. Then go back to CapCut and bring in all the videos you generated in Pixverse. I'm just going to bring mine in, and the audio you downloaded from that site in Google. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring it in. I'm going to go back again and bring in more videos. Next, I'm going to click on the first video, which is the cat buying carrots in the market. I'm going to bring it to the timeline. Then I'm going to go ahead and bring the second video to the timeline, which is the cat riding a bicycle from the market. You can see, and this is actually saying a story, so you can use this to say a story about the cat. So I'm going to bring in the third video that shows the cat cooking the carrots in the kitchen. So you can see this is actually telling a story. The cat went to the market to buy the carrots, rode his bicycle home, and then got home and cooked the carrots. So you can go ahead and now bring in the audio for the video, the one I downloaded from Google, sorry. So I'm just going to go ahead now and reduce the volume of the audio. I'm just going to click on the audio, then go to volume to reduce the volume of the audio. That is because it is too loud. Then I'm just going to take a listen. I think it is too low, so I'm just going to adjust it again. Now this is perfect. I'm now going to go ahead and click on export to export my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and tell me your experience creating this type of video in the comment section. And also do not forget to tell me where you are commenting or watching this video from. Thank you.